Got leftover rotis? Don't worry, I've got 3 super tasty ways to bring them back to life. We're making a cheesy chicken roti pizza, crispy chapati cutlets, and a quick toasty roti sandwich. Let's first start with the chicken roti pan pizza. For this, start by greasing a pan with butter. Place your leftover roti in it. Now spread pizza sauce generously and sprinkle some chili flakes. Next, add a mix of chicken sausage and juicy tandoori chicken tikka on top. Now layer with grated mozzarella, and yes, more chicken on top never hurt anybody. Now finish with salt, pepper, chili flakes and a pinch of pizza seasoning. Now cover with a lid and let the cheese melt. Once it looks golden and gooey, turn off the flame. And that's your chicken roti pizza. Crispy base, cheesy top, total game changer. Now let's move to crispy chapati cutlets. For this, break your chapatis into small pieces in the bowl. Next, add chopped onions, grated carrots, green chilies, boiled potatoes, and a mix of coriander, cumin, chili, turmeric, and of course, salt to taste. Now shape into cutlets and shallow fry until golden and crispy. Serve hot with ketchup or chutney, crunchy on the outside, soft and spiced inside. Now let's move to the last one, leftover roti sandwich. For this, in a pan, heat a little oil and saute chopped onions. Now add bell peppers, grated carrot and tomatoes. Season with salt, coriander powder, red chili powder and cumin powder. Once everything's soft and masala's cooked, your stuffing is ready. Now take a leftover roti, spread mayonnaise on one half. Add the stuffing and fold it into a semicircle. Now toast the sandwich with a little butter till it's golden and crispy. Now serve it hot. It's cheesy, crunchy and the perfect way to finish off those rotis. So next time you've got leftover rotis, don't reheat them, reinvent them. Which one are you going to try first? Tell us in the comments. For more such recipes, don't forget to hit the like and share button and subscribe to Times Foodie.